welcome back everyone to today's Thirsty Thursday. Today we did a Candy Cane Cosmopolitan mocktail. So Jenny, what do you think about this really nice drink?
It's very pretty. That's one. And two, I actually love it a lot. I'm a big, cranberry fan, so I know there's cranberry in here. And I know there's peppermint in here, but I think it's mostly on the rim, but that's just fine. So if you don't like peppermint that much, you can still drink this drink.
But the peppermint comes as a snack, so that's good. Well, to say the least, this drink is very festive and in spirit with the holidays. I wanted to talk about binge drinking and how it increases during the holiday season. The period between Christmas and New Year's Day accounts for some of the highest incidents of binge drinking. That week alone is just, binge drinking can get out of hand and out of control.
What is exactly considered binge drinking, and how many drinks is it?
So binge drinking is 5 drinks for men and 4 drinks for women in a 2-hour time frame or in about one sitting. Overindulging during the holidays is very easy.
True, it's mostly because there's a lot of celebrations going on and a lot of parties.
Yes. The holidays are a time when some people are more likely to drink beyond their limits than at any other time of the year. Something that doesn't help with binge drinking is the gift giving of wine during the holiday season.
How so? I actually like to get wine for Christmas, and I also like to give wine for Christmas.
Well, imagine there's a holiday party with about 30 guests, and each of those guests brings a bottle of wine as a gift, or just, more drinks for the party, for the host. That party will then have an overconcentration of alcohol. And if there's any young teens at that party, that gives them more access to, drink that alcohol. And it can lead to adults, engaging in binge drinking and drinking, more than they should have.
I never thought of it like that. I'm going to start giving out different gifts this year. And I'll probably even try to make this mocktail as a way of saying, hello to everybody, to my guests at my party.
They are very cute. They're very, very festive, and it's almost gone. All right, so we'll see you guys next time at the next Thirsty Thursday. Bye.
Bye.